Are you looking for the best label printer for small business? In this video we will look at some of the best label printer for small business on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Brother VC 500 watts. Brother VC 500 watts is equipped with zinc or zero ink technology that will never require you to buy inks separately. The printer works with specialized zinc papers and all the inks needed for glossy and vivid labels are set in them. This compact printer is not only a apartment for printing labels, but there is barely anything that you cannot print with this printer. From handmade gifts, greeting cards, gift wrap, photo projects, invitations, stickers, party favors, decoration pieces to address labels, business projects, scrapbooking, it can do them all. The machine can print up to 2 inches x 17 labels with resolution of 313 pi, that too in a single pass. It is Wi-Fi enabled and offers advanced connectivity features such as Wi-Fi Direct, AirPrint. When you download its color label editor app for free, you can get experimentative with numerous fonts, frames, backgrounds, art as well as some ready-made templates. However, if you want your labels to look more professional, you can access P-Touch Editor software from your computer. The printer is compatible with both Mac and Windows OS. To make your printing experience even smoother, this device comes with a built-in automatic cutter. It can make half or full cuts, all up to you. At number 2, Brother P-Touch PTD 210. The device weighs only 1.00 pounds. So, if you need to print labels on the go, this will serve you perfectly. The printer runs on 6 AAA batteries which you will have to purchase separately. However, while using it at the comfort of your home or office space, you can also power it up with AC power adapter or AD24. The machine has 180 pi printing resolution. It can efficiently print up to 2 lines on labels up to 12 mm wide. The device can race up at the speed of printing 20 mm per second. It has a memory capacity of 15 labels to let you travel with it sans any worries of damage. Brother P-Touch PTD 210 comes with optional protective case or CCD 210. Its robust surface protects it from external damage and also helps you to store the batteries and additional tapes. The printer is not complex to operate at all. It offers one-touch keys allowing you to access 600 symbols, 14 fonts, 97 frames and 27 templates for faster operation. It also shows you previews to make sure that your labels are on the right track. Hence, to create beautiful but professional labels or any other fun decor, you will not always have to rely on your creativity. On your sluggish days, you can blindly rely on Brother P-Touch PTD 210 and still get your work done proficiently. At number 3, ROLLO Label Printer. If you need a professional quality label that can work with high speed, lo and behold, ROLLO Label Printer is one of the most sought after label printers as precision with speed is its utmost priority. With this printer, there is no need to buy ink cartridges or toners ever. The machine is equipped with direct thermal printing technology that can produce top-notch shipping labels. The printed labels are going to have 204 pi. Its quality matches up to the requirements of major couriers such as DHL, UPS, USPS, FedEx, etc. The machine has got laudable printing speed. Now imagine how much it can produce in 60 seconds. In a minute, ROLLO can generate up to 238 labels. So, if you thrive for speed, this is all you need. ROLLO does not discriminate much when it comes to media type. It can practically work well with any direct thermal label. You need to press just a simple button and it can automatically identify the size and characteristics of the label you are working with. So, get over those snooty machines and get yourself something as liberal as ROLLO. Trust me, it will go much easier on your wallet. At number 4, DYMO LabelWriter 450. The next entry on this segment is DYMO LabelWriter 450, which will give you a first-rate printing experience at an affordable rate. Its simplistic features along with quick speed make it one of the most user-friendly label makers ever. Its label rolls are pretty easy to load. So, say goodbye to the ages-old hassle of manually loading your labels into a regular printer. As a cherry on top, to reduce your printing cost even more, it comes with sleep mode. As a result, it consumes less electricity. The device is pretty simple to set up. At first, you need to install DYMO Label V8 software on the computer. After that, you got to plug in and connect the LabelWriter 450 through a USB port and bam! The machine is ready to print. DYMO LabelWriter 450 does not require any ink or toner either. Using thermal printing technology, it makes sure that you are presented with clear as daylight labels with 600 by 300 ppi print resolution. Other than that, it will also satiate your filing and mailing needs. The printer also comes with more than 60 label layouts and styles. This machine performs the finest with its included DYMO Label software. The software aids in creating and printing address, file folder and barcode labels at a great speed. Besides, it is able to print 4-line standard address labels. That too at a blazing speed of up to 51 labels in a minute. At number 5, Brother QL800. If you are looking for a cost-effective printer with of course amazing speed, then our last pick on this list, which is Brother QL800, may come in handy for you. Using DK2251, it can provide you with amazing black, red labels for envelopes, packages, name badges, file folders, postage, and so on. Just by connecting the printer to your computer via USB cable, you can print plenty of amazing labels. Connection to a wireless network is required for it to print your labels. As for customization to suit your needs, you may download the Brother free iPrint and Label app to give them a more professional touch. Windows and Mac users can edit your labels on P-Touch Editor software. This machine is one of the very few office category label printers that comes with a technology allowing you to print 2 colors over the entire label. To help you print affordably, it is furnished with direct thermal printing technology. This printer can provide you with up to 93 standard address labels in a minute. So, get yourself this machine and speed through your tasks. It is able to print 93 labels per minute. It is equipped with direct thermal printing technology. The machine requires wireless connection to a network.